Number 35, the company logo is shown the measure of FH. So the measure of FH, so from F to H is 108, and the measure of LJ from L to J is 12, FKH, FKH. Okay, so we're going to subtract, this angle is outside, so we subtract the two angles. So we have a 108 and we have a 12. So 108 minus 12 divided by 2, that's going to be 96 divided by 2, which is a 48-degree angle. If the angle's outside, you subtract the arcs. This arc is 12 and this arc's 108. You just subtract the arcs and divide by 2, and that'll give you the outside angle. Number 36, find the arc LP. So from L to P, L to R is 100. From L to P, L to R is 100. Oh, this is a 25-degree angle right here. So this angle is 25. From L to R is 100. Okay, so what we have to do here is we have to find out how much it is from here to here. So we know 25 is going to equal to, and let's call this X, 80 minus X divided by 2. So if we do 80 minus X divided by 2, we'll get this X right here. We know that's going to equal to 25. So multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of your denominator. 50 equals 80 minus X. So move the 50 over, or the 80 over. Negative 30 equals negative X. So X is going to be 30 degrees. So from here to here is 30 degrees, and the whole thing's 100. So this would end up being 70. So in summary, I know that this angle is 25. This angle is going to be this arc minus this arc divided by 2. I do that, and I get from here to here is 30. If from here to here is 100, then from here to here would be 70. You would just subtract. Yeah! Number 37, the measure of angle G and the measure of DE. So we want the measure of EG. EG is from here to here, so I want that. And the measure of DE. DE is from here to here, so I want that. Okay, so I could get DE by 89 and 61 right here. This 89 is formed by this arc and this arc, right? So 89 is equal to, and I'm going to call this X, 61 plus X divided by 2. Multiply both sides by 2, you get 178 equals 61 plus X. Move over the 61 and you get 711. So X, so D to E is 117. Okay, now I need from here to here. I know that from here to here is going to be, it's going to be supplementary, so that's going to be 91. Okay, so this angle right here is 91 degrees, so 91 is going to equal to 137 plus X divided by 2. So multiply both sides by 2. You get 182 equals 137 plus X. Move over the 137. 5, let's be 7 of 45. So this should end up being 45. And if you added up all the outsides, 14, yeah, it would add up to 360 if you added up all the angles. And number 38, find the measure of angle DEH. So I want DHG, I want this angle. Let's get that angle first. This arc's 58. This is 84. So that means from here to here is going to be 96. So DHG. DHG will also be 96 degrees. That's just supplementary. The measure of EF. So this arc is going to be this arc plus this arc divided by 2. So 96 is going to equal to x. This arc will be x plus this arc is 58 divided by 2. Multiply both sides by 2. You get 192 equals to x plus 58. Move over the 58, subtract, and you would get 4, 3, 1. Okay, so this arc right here is 134 degrees. And the measure of angle ECF. So this angle right here is going to be outside. You're going to subtract these two arcs. So ECF is equal to 134 minus 58 divided by 2. So 134 minus 58, that's going to be 7 divided by 2, so 38 degrees. So this angle would be 38 degrees. That was a blast. As the thunder rolls.